Hey buddies, I have a message of hope and inspiration for those who are currently facing failure, tough times, financial struggles, heartbreak, recent breakups, joblessness, and for all the hard workers out there. This is your moment to rise above your circumstances. Discover the power within you to achieve greatness. Life is a roller coaster of ups and downs, my friend. But remember, every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. Your current situation does not define you. It is merely a chapter in your journey towards success. Embrace the challenges you face, for they are the stepping stones to your ultimate triumph. It's natural to feel defeated and disheartened when things don't go your way. But let me tell you something. You are stronger than you think. You possess a resilience that can withstand any storm. In those moments of doubt, tap into your inner strength and push through the barriers that hold you back. Hard work and determination are the keys that unlock the doors to success. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and put in the effort required to achieve your goals. Success is not handed to you on a silver platter. It is earned through sweat, perseverance, and unwavering commitment. Times may be tough, my friend, but remember that tough times don't last, but tough people do. You have the power within you to rise above your circumstances. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Trust that you have what it takes to turn your situation around and create a better future. Do not let setbacks define you. Let them refine you. Each failure, each rejection, and each heartbreak is an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace these experiences as valuable lessons that shape your character and propel you forward. Learn from them, adapt, and come back stronger than ever before. It's easy to lose hope when the odds seem stacked against you. But let me tell you something, my friend, success stories are built on a foundation of failures. Embrace the challenges, for they are the breeding ground for resilience, determination, and innovation. Use your hardships as fuel to ignite your inner fire and push yourself to new heights. Remember, money doesn't define your worth. You are not measured by the zeros in your bank account, but by the passion in your heart and the impact you make on others. Focus on what truly matters, on the values and principles that guide your actions. Success will follow when you align your efforts with your true purpose. In moments of darkness, it's crucial to surround yourself with a support system that uplifts and encourages you. Seek out those who believe in your potential, who inspire you to keep pushing forward. Together, you can conquer any obstacle and achieve greatness. My friend, you are not alone on this journey. There are countless others facing similar struggles and challenges. Connect with them, share your experiences, and lift each other up. Together, you can create a network of support, resilience, and motivation that fuels your collective success. In conclusion, my friend, I want you to remember this. You are not defined by your failures, your heartbreaks, or your current circumstances. You are defined by your resilience, your determination, and your unwavering belief in yourself. Embrace the challenges, learn from them, and let them propel you towards the success you deserve. You have the power within you to transform your life. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep pushing forward. Success is not a destination. It's a journey filled with twists and turns. Embrace the journey, my friend, and let it shape you into the person you are destined to become. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, your story has the power to inspire others. Share your journey, spread hope, and together, let us create a world where failure is merely a stepping stone on the path to success.